Hello Gadgeteers! Today I have an unboxing of the new OnePlus 13 smartphone. I'm very excited because when it comes to Android phones, OnePlus is my absolute favorite nowadays. I use the OnePlus Open almost exclusively for my product photography for all the reviews on thegadgeteer.com. But today we're going to be talking about OnePlus's latest phone, and this is just going to be an unboxing, and I will have a full review, a written review on my site soon, and I will link to it in the description below when that is available to read. But right now, let's unbox this together because I have yet to even look at it. It just came via FedEx just a few minutes ago. So let's see what we've got. All right. They also sent a case for it, which is very nice of them. But here we go. Let's open this up. Like that. And as always, OnePlus tells us to never settle. Can you read that? There you go. And we won't settle, will we? What is in this first box? This first box has a little USB-A to USB-C dongle. So that's one thing. It also has a SIM removal tool and a quick user guide and safety guides. Do we have any stickers? I don't see any stickers yet. I don't think there was anything else in here. Nope. Set that aside, and here's the phone itself, wrapped in some thin paper to protect it. Let's just set that there and see what else we have. If I can get it open. We have the very powerful AC adapter, and if I can read it, because I've got old eyes, it is, looks like 100 to 130 volts. So yeah, it uses USB-A. And then OnePlus is also very generous because most phones that we receive these days do not come with a USB cable, or an AC adapter, and they're going to give us both. So thank you, OnePlus. But we have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable in the OnePlus red colors. So that's what we have there. Let's set this aside and get to the main feature, the phone itself, the OnePlus 13. Oh, that's nice. I'm going to have to put my finger over this number here, but I received the blue version, and it is gorgeous. I absolutely love the pebbled texture on the OnePlus Open, and this is similar but in blue with silver accents here. You have the Hasselblad H, their logo, and this nice little bar of silver, and then the camera module is surrounded with a silver chromed ring. It's really nice. I like it. And you have brushed, are they brushed? No, they're not. They're chromed rails here on the side. And we have the USB-C port, SIM card holder, because OnePlus and most other phones other than iPhone, don't get me started, still have physical SIM cards, which I think is fantastic. the Apple drives me nuts because they don't have it. So we also have this physical switch that lets you turn off the speaker. It's got two settings. You can go to vibrate or you can go completely mute. I love that. Of course, you got the power button and you have a volume rocker button. And on top, looks like we've got microphones, and I don't know what this is. If it's a microphone or a speaker. Guess I'll have to find out when I do my full review. And here is the screen. It already has, I can feel it, a screen protector installed. Gotta love that. It's got the camera right here. If I could get it so you could see, maybe. It's got a camera. Sorry, I'm clearing my throat. And the display itself has rounded edges. This has a really nice feel to it. Let me get my iPhone. Let's compare. Let's see what it's like. Let me take this case off the back of my iPhone. Okay, there's both phones here. You could see they both have rounded corners. This one feels thinner. I don't know if it is or not. It could be just because the iPhone has more squared off edges than this one, because this one, the back has kind of a chamfered edge. It's nicely rounded. It's very comfortable to hold. And then the camera bump does stick out some, which is not a problem because I find that I use the camera bump on the OnePlus as kind of like a ledge to hold it. Kind of gives me a little extra grip, which means I can use this phone without putting a case on it. But speaking of cases, let's get this case out. Let's go ahead and open this and see what their case looks like. I don't know if this is going to be included with every purchase, but we'll just get an idea. Let's get charging. For the best wireless charging experience, please place the wireless charging cover between the back of the Arctic Dawn version of the OnePlus and your phone case. Okay, I don't know. I don't really know what that means yet. I guess they're saying to put that here. I don't think this is called the Arctic Dawn. So I don't know if that's needed for this one or not. But let's just pretend that it is. So you would line it up like that. And you would just, I don't know how great that's going to work. Slide it in like so. Boom, boom, boom. It goes on easily. And there's, oh, looks like I've got that stuck in there. Let's take that off of there. Let's get that off. Let's see how easy it is to get your phone out of the case. And it is pretty easy. I've had cases that are so hard to get off your phone. Okay. Now this has a kind of a carbon fiber type look to it. I don't know if it's actually carbon fiber, but that's what they're kind of going for in the look. If you can see that. I like the look of it. It's smooth, and you have the OnePlus red ring around the camera module, and it is slightly raised so that when you do set your phone down, it will give some added protection to this camera module, which is nice. It's got the cutouts for everything, as you could see. and the cutout for the volume switch is chamfered, so there is room to put your finger, your thumb, and change it, so that's good. And there are plastic covers over the power and volume buttons, and you can still easily press them and you still feel that tactile feedback. And it looks like the corners of the case are raised to protect the display. I can feel them. It's slightly raised on every corner, and it's slightly raised on the edges too. So there you go. That is the unboxing. I can't show you any more right now. I might be able to show it booting up. Let's do that. I haven't even charged it yet. Like I said, it just came in the mail. Let me hold this down. It might need to be charged. It might be completely dead. Nope, I felt it vibrate. And there it is. It's booting up. Got the cute little Android down there. I'm really excited to start using this. I love OnePlus. And there it is. I'm really excited, guys. Can't wait to start using this, which is going to be right after I hit stop on this video. Like I said, the review is coming soon, so please subscribe if you don't want to miss it. And like I said, I will add the link to my written review, which will include tons of pictures, tons of commentary about my experience using this phone. Until then, I hope everybody has a great day.